Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be talking about a new service that I added on my website freemediatools.com. The service name is bulk domain name age checker. From the name itself, it will check the domain age of multiple domains at once. So if you land on this website, here this is a very simple interface. This is a text area where you can write multiple domain names, one domain per line, you can see. So let's suppose I write here domain name zapac.com, medium.com, freemediatools.com, facebook.com. So you can see I have written four domain names, and if I click get domain age, you will see checking domain, and you will see it will calculate the domain age, and it will tell me that zapac.com is 14 years old, medium.com is 22 years old, facebook.com is 23 years old, and my website free media tools, it is 2 months 12 days old. If I cross check here, if this is a Chrome extension which is installed, if I cross check here, it will tell me that my domain age is exactly 2 months. You can see 73 days, so it is exactly equal to 2 months 12 days. So this is a very fantastic service if you are a SEO expert or want to uh, get the domain age of websites while buying a domain name. You can just refer to my web service. The link will be there inside the video description. Just go to it, share this web service with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Gmail. And now let me just show you the second scenario where you can just use this web service. If you go to Google here, and this is used in SEO. If you just type here free tools, and if you just write any search query, and I have a extension which is installed here, it will get 100 organic URLs which are listed on the Google page. If I click go here, it will download these results here in a CSV file. And now what we want is that I need to just input this. If I right click this, edit with notepad plus plus, it will give me all this organic URLs. You can see it is having this HTTPS. You just need to copy it and just plug this inside this tool. This tool will automatically remove the HTTPS and all that stuff. You just need to copy paste it and then click get domain age, and if you click this button, it will calculate the domain age, and in a while it will calculate all the domain names, and you can see instantly, you can see we are calculating the domain age. So instantly you will get the result of multiple domain names. You need not have to write manually one domain at a time and then get the domain age. With the help of this tool, you can get instantly the domain age of all the domains that you have entered in the input field. You can see we are making use of a concept called as AJAX, which stands for asynchronous JavaScript and XML. We are instantly making AJAX request to the Node.js server, and we are fetching this domain ages. Very simple concept. And now you have seen this demo here of this web tool. And going back to the source code, if you want to get the source code, you just need to go to the video description. I have given the second link of my step-by-step blog here. If you go to it, you will find my step-by-step blog, and in that blog I have given the whole source code. And this is my GitHub repository. If you go to that blog, you will find a link where you can just download all the source code. This is the GitHub repository, so you can just click the download zip file button to download all the source code, and you can also make this tool. So I think if you like this tool, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and please check out my other services on this website also, which is freemediatools.com. And do share this website with your friends so that they can also check out these awesome tools. So thanks very much guys for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.